I feel like this is your year. This is your year for change. This is the year that you're going to accomplish so much. And I know you can feel it. You can feel the energy and the change in the vibration. So much is shifting right now, and that includes you. You are more driven. You feel like this is your year to glow up, to be your best, to look your best, to feel your best, to let go of your past traumas, your past stories, past identities. You're embracing this new version of you like you never have before. You are on your way. Do not forget that. Keep hyping yourself up. This isn't just a motivational video. I am like channeling the energy. I feel you. I feel what you're going through because I'm feeling it too. We are all in a massive shift right now, and you are feeling motivated like no other time in your life. You know that this is your year to get what it is you want. And I want you to keep visualizing and holding on to that new identity, holding on to that new version of you. Keep visualizing it. Fantasize about it. Make it a fantasy in your mind when you're visualizing. See yourself how you want to see yourself, walking into a room, looking the best you ever have. There's this confidence, this aura around you. People can feel it. People are gravitating towards you. They want to be in your energy. They want to hear what you're saying. You have the ability to motivate other people and inspire others just by you being you, just by you going after what it is you want, by you accomplishing so much. This is your year for success. This is your year for love. This is your year for transformation, confidence. Like, if you wanted to have a glow up, if you wanted to have the most wealth, this is the year to do it. Because this is the year of change. It's a brand new cycle. It's a year number 1. That means that you can start new. You can hit the refresh button on who you are. You can forget who you used to be. Let go of those old stories, that old identity that you're repeating in your mind. Let that go and start repeating the new story. And when I say fantasize about it, I don't mean fantasy like it'll never happen. I mean romanticize it. Dream it up. Replay it in your mind over and over again until you know it's inevitable, until you're certain, until you believe. This is what it takes for you to keep going down this journey, to actually grab onto the energy, the shifts that are happening, the vibrational changes in the universe, and you use them to your advantage. You make it happen. Whatever you want is possible. Whatever you want exists. If someone else has it, you can have it. Remind yourself of that. It's not impossible. It's very much possible. But it takes you believing that you deserve it, that it can happen. And sometimes the visualization and the belief is really hard because you've never had it before. And to keep motivating yourself to change and to work on your inner dialogue, it takes you believing it. So hype yourself up. Tell yourself every day, I have XYZ, whatever it is. I have the $1 million. I have the 1 million subscribers. People who want to hear what I have to say. I am magnetic. I am putting out the energy that what I want is mine. I deserve it. It's possible. Doesn't that feel so much better than rehearsing doubt? Than rehearsing fear? So often as humans, we get stuck in the loop of fear, Don't spend your life fearful. Stop worrying. Stop letting anxiety rule you. Because all it does is pull you down. It's like this weight you're carrying around. Drop the weight, drop the fear, and embrace the life that you want. Because this is your year. You feel it. I know you do. I feel it for you. There's so much beautiful energy you can tap into right now. I am vibrating this energy in this video, and you can absorb it, you can feel it, and you can use that and channel that energy to keep motivating yourself, hyping yourself up, to go after what it is you want. Keep visualizing it. Don't drop the ball. Don't let go. Don't let fear and doubt take over you. It takes a conscious effort. You have to be awake. You have to be aware. You have to be super alert to your inner dialogue, to the actions you're taking. Are you hyping yourself up for what you want? Are you reminding yourself of what you're capable of? Or are you doubting yourself? You have the choice. You can program yourself for success. You can program yourself to be whatever you want. You are in power. You are in control, creative control. And all it takes is your awareness. Where are my thoughts going? Where's my energy going? And pull it back into what you want. So I hope this video was super helpful in reminding you of your power, reminding you that it is your year. You got this. So I'm sending you so much love and powerful, beautiful energy in this video, and I hope it's reaching you. And I hope you have a wonderful, beautiful day.